How to create phone wallpaper on Canva app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a phone wallpaper on Canva fast and easy. So all what you have to do is go to Canva app like this, and this is the home page as you can see. Now you go here down below, and then you will find those options, and then you click on phone wallpaper. If you didn't find it, search for it right here, and then click on it like this and wait a few seconds until it take you to this page right here. Here you will find many phone wallpapers. You can click on them and edit the text as you want. For example, let's choose this one. Now if you want to edit the text, click two clicks like this, and then now you can edit it as you want. Let's write the name of the channel, financial wall, or how to. That's it. As you can see now it's changed in easy fast way. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.